AutoShack Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume buying auto parts online is risky, but AutoShack aims to simplify the process by offering a wide selection, easy search tools, and competitive pricing. AutoShack is an online retailer of aftermarket and OEM auto parts for cars, trucks, and SUVs. One standout feature is its compatibility to enter your vehicle's make, model, and year to see parts that fit exactly, reducing guesswork and returns. Most people get this wrong. They think online parts may not match quality standards. The surprising truth is that AutoShack sells parts from trusted brands and offers warranties on many items, providing peace of mind. Another advantage is customer support. The website includes guides, installation tips, and a team ready to answer questions about parts, returns, and shipping. Fast shipping and order tracking add convenience for busy car owners. However, there are considerations. Prices vary depending on part type and brand, so it's wise to compare before purchasing. Installation still requires knowledge or a mechanic unless you're experienced. In conclusion, AutoShack is a reliable option for buying auto parts online, especially if you want compatibility checks, warranties, and support. Always double-check part numbers and read descriptions carefully before ordering. Subscribe for more honest auto parts reviews before making your next purchase.